Hi friends, good morning. Myself Vijay sir from Samved School. I welcome all of you. We have started chapter number 3, very most important chapter. We have discussed so many fundamental topics related to triads rule, octave rules, and now we are going to arrange elements in modern periodic table. Mendeleev gave the periodic law, but there is some error because Mendeleev could not decide finally that the arrangement of element in periodic table may be always in increasing order of atomic weight. Sometime he changed the rule related to atomic weight. We have taken example of tellurium and iodine. Even though the atomic mass of iodine is less than tellurium, but iodine is placed after tellurium. That was the confusion related to periodic table. Now, two topics, very most important topic we are going to discuss. I have done some board work to save our time, nothing else. So, we will discuss two topics, modern periodic law and modern periodic table, and nomenclature of element, atomic number more than 100. So why scientists required modern periodic law? Mendeleev gave periodic law, but there was some error. Beginning of 20th century, subparticles of element were discovered. In earlier than 20th century, there was not any symptoms obtained by the scientist that the element containing proton, electron, neutron. But when subparticles of atom were discovered, English physicist Henry Moseley made one graph. He made one graph related to express spectra of element, X-ray spectra of element. It is to be said root V versus an atomic weight. Root V is the emitted energy. So what he found, he made one graph, root V versus atomic mass. Second graph he plotted, root V versus atomic number. Root V is the frequency of X-ray emitted. Root V is the frequency of X-ray emitted. First graph was not found straight away. Root V versus atomic mass graph was not found straight line. So there is some error in atomic mass. He plotted another graph, Henry Moseley, in 1913. When he made a graph, root V versus atomic number, graph got straight line. It means atomic mass is not proper to form periodic table. Atomic number will help to arrange element in periodic table. So he gave modern periodic law. What is different between periodic law and modern periodic law? I am just speaking. Kindly concentrate and listen to me. Physical and chemical property of elements are periodic function of their atomic mass. That is periodic law. Now I am speaking modern periodic law. Physical and chemical property of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. You just change the sentence from atomic mass to atomic number. Change of law will found from modern periodic law, from periodic law to modern periodic law. Only difference of one word. Modern periodic law having atomic number and periodic law having atomic mass. So you are to be said in JEE NEET or in MCQ form that modern periodic law is related to A. atomic number, B. atomic mass, C. A and B, D. none of this. Then the answer will be A. periodic number. This was the achievement of Henry Moseley. And periodic table formed in modern way. When we are having periodic table, we observe the periodic table. There were two criteria was settled. First, it was in increasing order of periodic, increasing order of atomic mass. That was incorrect. Now periodic table is formed in increasing order of atomic number. Second, it was formed according to electronic configuration of element. It was also decided that the same physical or chemical property should be in the same group. Same group means it is vertical way. Horizontal means it is increasing order of atomic number. So I am drawing simple periodic table. In periodic table there are 7 rows. I am writing 7 rows. In periodic table there are 18 columns. Columns is to be said as family, and rows it is horizontal. 18 column and 7 rows are drawn in periodic table. First row having only 2 elements. So row first having 2 elements, it is to be said quantum number 1 n equal to 1. Second row having also 8 elements, that is quantum number 2. Third row having 8 elements, that is quantum number 3. Fourth row having 18 elements, that is quantum number 4. Fifth row having 2, 8, 8, 18 elements, that is quantum number 5. Sixth row having 32 elements, that is quantum number 6. And seventh row having also 32 elements, that is also known as quantum number 7. So you can now consider that there are 7 rows in periodic table. In first row only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. In second row there will be only 8 elements. You can check with periodic table, modern periodic table. There will be only 8 elements in the second row. Third row will having the 8 elements. Fourth row will having the 18 elements. Fifth row having also 18 elements. Sixth row having 32 elements. And seventh row is incompleted. There are two series, 14 elements are arranged, and it is lanthanum and actinium series in periodic table. So it is the brief information related to periodic table. Earlier periodic table was 1A, 2A to 7A and 8. 1B, 2B, 2, 7th B to the 8th. It was earlier periodic table, but modern periodic table having the arrangement of element like this. There are 7 rows. You can count the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There will be 7 rows. In first row there will be only 2 elements. In second row there will be 8 elements. In third row there will be 8 elements. In fourth row there will be 18 elements. In fifth row there will be 18 elements. In sixth row there will be 32 elements. And in seventh row there will be 32 elements. It is the arrangement of periodic table. And in last 2 row you will be seeing 14 elements in rows. That is lanthanum and actinium series. This is the brief information related to periodic table. N equal to 1, it is quantum number 1. Quantum number 1 means it is the circle 1. You have studied chapter number 2, atomic structure. There will be different type of circle, means it is to be said orbitals. In first orbital there will be only 2 elements, that is the quantum number 1, n equal to 1. In second orbital there will be 8 elements. I am discussing like this. This is the proton, this is the first orbitals, this is the second orbitals, this is the third orbital, like that. First orbital n number 1 having 2 elements. Second orbital n number 2 having 8 elements. Third orbitals quantum number 3 having the 8 elements. Like this there are the 7 orbitals, and these 7 orbitals containing the number of elements are in this order: 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. So this is the information related to periodic table. Now why required to